Hello everybody, welcome back. We're doing another episode of How to Mine Iridium today. And today it's all about Linux. The version of Linux, or the flavor, or whatever word you want to use, is Ubuntu 16.04. And rather than delay, let's get right into it. So the first thing we're going to do is open up Firefox here. And we're going to go to the Iridium website, which is ird.cache. Once that loads, we're going to go straight to the downloads. Now remember, if you want the details of what Iridium is, just step on back one video to how to mine on Windows, and it gives you a better explanation. But then again, if you come straight to the Linux video, be sure to go to ird.cache and read through what Iridium's all about, because we want you here. All right, so I'm going to downloads. We want Linux, and about 19 hours ago, today is June 22nd in the United States, our lovely dev, Steve Brush, released the brand new version 4.02 wallet, which corrected a bunch of errors. As you can see here, fix the import and export of your keys, fix the RSS feed, which I love being able to get the current news right in the wallet, and some stability issues, things like that. Anywho, we are going to grab the app image, which is for Linux. That's only 30 megabytes, so it should be pretty quick to download here. Now, one thing we'll have to check is to see whether it's executable. I've had some that were not. So we're going to open the containing folder. Maybe. Alright, we're going to cheat. I am not all that fluent in Linux, but I try my best. I'm more of a Windows guy. And okay, so it is not executable right off the bat, so we're going to click Allow Executing Files of Program. Close that back out. Then we are going to double click on that. And here we go. Here's the wallet. Okay, so the wallet is now open, and it's going to start syncing the blockchain. Now, this could take a little bit of time. So while we're waiting for that to download, we are going to give our wallet a password. Now, if you click on it a couple times, it doesn't work. Go up here to bring your mouse up at the top, go to File, over to Settings, and then encrypt the wallet. Go ahead and put your password in. And make sure that it's a pretty good password. And make sure they match, because obviously mine didn't. There we go. All right. Now, we're going to go ahead and you won't miss any time. I'm going to pause this recording here, and we'll come back as soon as this is done downloading, and we'll move on to actually how to mine. Hello everybody, welcome back. As you can see here, we have finished syncing our blockchain up. So it's time to get on with mining. Now, if you're just going to mine straight from the wallet, it's going to be easy. All you need to do is either click Start Mining right here, and it should begin to mine. There it goes. And we're mining. Now, if you'd like to see a little more in depth of what's going on, you can click down here on the mining tab. And there you go. It's showing 4 cores. Mining at between 350 and 400. Remember, I am working in a virtual machine environment, so it's going to be a little wonky. Now, we're going to go through and grab xmr-rig, and that'll show you how to mine in a different environment. Now, there are 3 different versions of xmr-rig. There is the CPU, AMD GPU, and NVIDIA GPU. Now, I'm in a virtual environment, so I can't run those since I don't have direct access to my video card. We're just going to grab the CPU version, and I'll show you how to set that up real quick. And the setup for the AMD and the NVIDIA are the same, but in this case, we're just going to do the CPU. So we've got 3 different Windows versions here: 32-bit, 64-bit, another 64-bit, written in a slightly different language. We're not concerned with those. We're going to go straight for the Xenial AMD, which is going to be our Ubuntu download. So we're going to save that. It's very small. And at this point, we're going to go ahead and close out Firefox. We're going to open up our download folder here, downloads. We're going to extract this here. Open that up. Now, we do need to configure our miner. So we're going to open it with GE Edit and make some changes here. So first of all, we are on the Kryptonite Light V7. So -light, and we're going to come down here to the variant. We want to make sure that's 1. And URL, well, we're going to be mining to irdpool.fr. We put that in here, irdpool.fr. Our port is 3333. Now remember, up here is your wallet. So we're going to click copy address. As you can see, address copied to clipboard. Back over here to the config. Highlight where it says your wallet. Right click, paste. Our wallet's in there. We're not worried about a password. We shouldn't need to change anything else here. And then click save. And then we're going to go ahead and close that out. We're going to open a terminal. We're going to type cd for change directory, /home, / whatever your username is. For this particular virtual machine, I did ird /downloads. Okay, we're going to list it. As you can see, our folder is xmr-rig-2.6.3. So we're going to cd into that. -2.6.3. Enter. I'm going to list that again. And next we're going to start the program. So, /xmr-rig and enter. And away you go. As you can see, it has now started to mine for us on the same pool that we're mining inside the wallet. Good to go. Just hashing away. Now if you press H, it'll give you your hash rate. Because I'm on a virtual machine, it's auto set up to only use 75% of the threads. And it gives us 225.6. Now if you press Control C, it'll exit out for you. We're going to go ahead and close this out. Now, those of you running a direct machine can set affinities, CPU affinity here, get it very detailed. There are instructions in Google for that. You can find that. That pretty much covers it for mining in the Iridium wallet and on Linux. If you have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comments below. You can always find us on the Iridium Discord, which will also be in the link below. There will be a link below. Make sure you subscribe, follow. My next video will be on setting up your own Iridium pool. Thank you for joining me. You guys have a great day. Bye now.